You have a prototype ready, which is also very, very commendable.
This is made for blind people, which will be integrated with AI just like ChatGPT.
आपने जो बनाया है, जो बता रहे हो आप, बहुत यूजफुल.
Impressed with it.
Very, very impressive.
Myself Syed Adnan, I live in Varanasi city. I study in class 11th in Sant Atulanand Convent School. So my idea is about giving virtual eyes to the blind people. You must have seen blind people walking with a cane. It is not very convenient actually. So I made a device which we can wear and can see anything by that. A blind person can use to ensure that he will not face any problems in day-to-day life. My parents have supported me a lot, and especially my mother. Because of her, I am sitting here right now. I am very excited about my idea to show my pitch to Anshuman sir.
Good afternoon, judges. My name is Syed Adnan, and I am here to present you my project, which is Smart Sight AI. Vision Assist AI has features to recognize objects, find faces in the crowd also. Like, this is made for blind people. India has the largest population of blind people in the world. I was working on this from 2 years, and I came up with this thing. It will have 4 cameras which will be integrated with AI just like ChatGPT. Like, I am standing here and I can ask the ChatGPT to please could you find my laptop. The ChatGPT will answer, yeah, it is in the front on the table. You can just ask and get information and process about it. Everything you can ask from ChatGPT. And also this has many features like navigation, SOS. Thank you. I was nervous from the starting, and I was thinking that it is not very good, I did not do well.
Can you explain the product that you have? What it is right now? Yeah.
Sure.
The source ना जो लिखा है क्या रास्पबेरी पाई डाला क्या डाला?
Yeah.
Okay. और क्या डाला?
Raspberry
This is
Pi.
basically camera, right?
This is the camera.
Okay.
And this is the microcontroller which I am using. It is Raspberry Pi.
कौन सा model है? Model 4?
Raspberry Pi 4 8GB RAM.
Okay.
And it is using OpenCV and TensorFlow to recognize the object and put it to text to speech, and ChatGPT to integrate and trigger the button. Actually, this is not the complete model which I am talking about. The final model will have 4 cameras integrated with it, one in left, one in right, and one in back actually. So it will monitor whole space around you.
How did you get started? Why did you choose this problem?
Sir, actually there is a school for blind person around my house, and I first of all saw that and came to know that blind person struggles a lot in their daily lives, like recognizing an object.
What is the lowest size you can make out of it?
So I can make it a smaller as a headband, and it will have 4 cameras, and more cameras we can add to make it more accurate and find it.
You can also look at Meta just released their Ray-Ban glasses, which are trying to do the same thing, in fact.
Yeah, I have researched on that. Actually, they are for different purposes. It is basically for entertainment purpose.
Yeah.
It is not for blind people. It has cameras, but it is not integrated with AI or object recognition. You can record videos with that, see videos with that.
It will take them a day or 2 for them to just add it, right? It's just a software for them.
Yeah, it is.
They already
just
have
a
cameras, they already have processor, they already have the cloud where they can do the processing, right?
Sir, it is just a software for them, but according to me, they will launch it for a more higher price according to their brand value.
Okay, so your solution will be affordable.
Yeah, mine one is very affordable.
What is the minimum price that you can think of?
5,000.
5,000 you will have the microprocessor, controller and cameras,
Yeah,
everything.
everything.
Have you actually researched it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think इससे 2 use cases है ना. One is use cases की object detection when I want it on demand.
Yeah.
मुझे कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है and then I want it. I think वहाँ पे it's okay.
Yeah.
But if you're going to use it for a lifestyle thing, कि I'm walking and then this is my live guide in some ways, there are 2 problems. One is कि you need to be very, very accurate because it's a question of life and death. If you give me a feedback late, I could trip over, I could fall, if I fall on the road, then I'm just dead. Second part is that's actually computationally very expensive if you're doing it locally on the device. You basically have a live feed of video and you're analyzing that on the fly all the time
With a battery?
with the battery.
Yeah.
How long the battery will last?
So the
Probably
battery
10
will
minutes.
drain out like instantly.
Yeah.
However, look, I mean, आपने जो बनाया है, जो बता रहे हो आप, बहुत useful है. And it's, I mean, firstly, kudos to thinking about this innovative solution. You have a prototype ready, which is also very, very commendable.
Impressed with it. Impressed with it.
Very, very impressive. Very, very impressive.
I have a friend which works very closely with these kind of things, where images recognition and everything, and very good at AI as well. If you want, I'm happy to introduce you guys. Talk to either, see अगर कुछ challenges है आपके. He's also good with hardware too. He can probably help you. Happy to make the intro. मेरे ऑफिस में आके बैठो, जहाँ पे करना करो, जो करना करो.
Out of all the judges, which one you want to choose? And why?
Anshuman sir. He gave me the better solution for my AI solution.
So you are impressed with Anshuman sir.
Yes, sir, actually.
Okay, Anshuman, what is this score?
कितना नंबर सर? कितना नंबर सर?
Yeah, so I feel your idea has a lot of value. It is very impact driven, and if you do it well, then you'll change lives of many. You'll make lives easier for a lot of people for whom life is already very hard. I also feel that you've done research and you had in fact responses ready to most.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा आप अपने presentation पे काम करो. आप बड़े डरे हुए लग रहे हो, अभी बहुत डरे हुए लग रहे हो.
बहुत sweaty भी हो.
You're already sweating. But look, you have all the support from me and Subhash for what you're building. I'll give you an 8 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Amazing.
Well done. Well done.
Actually, I'm working on this idea from last 2 years. I think my project is very scalable and it deserves some better opportunities. I could not sleep till now. I will sleep after this.
But really impressed with almost all the pitches. Now we have the tough task of choosing the X factors. ये थोड़े दयालु लग रहे हैं मुझे.
एज से बहुत ही ऊपर चले गए कुछ लोग अपने आइडियाज.
I was not expecting कि लोग इतना प्रिपेयर करके आएंगे. I was not expecting कि बंदे इतने स्मार्ट होंगे. I was expecting 17 साल के लौंडे क्या ही करेंगे. समझ लो 17 साल की उम्र में कोई बंदा ग्लोबल कंप्यूटिंग नेटवर्क के बारे में सोच रहा है. 17 साल की उम्र में. That is like I was like very impressed. On the problem statement, I'm not going to give them that factor, but the kind of research that they have done. बंदे का टेक्निकल स्किल्स कैसा था, ability कैसी थी, and मुझे क्या लगता है फ्यूचर करता है ये करता है. I will decide that factor.
Coming to the prizes, the third, second, and first. थर्ड से शुरू करते हैं. इसके लिए आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल सुभाष सर ऑन स्टेज. थर्ड प्राइज आप ही पढ़ो सर. द थर्ड प्राइज गोज टू सिंगसीड कवि मुत्तुसेल्वन. Give it up for Kavi, everyone. Thank you. Now it's time for the second prize.
Your idea is good. GPU is an actual challenge right now.
आपने जो बनाया है, जो बता रहे हो आप, बहुत यूज़फुल है.
मुझे लगता है इसमें वॉल्यूम भी है और आइडिया अच्छा है.
ये सब जो बना रहे हो राइट, हार्डवेयर का आप ड्रोन और हार्डवेयर का यूज़ करके एग्रीकल्चर में बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो.
The second prize goes to Rehan. I would like to call Mohak on stage. First, he's gonna get the PS5, guys.
Congratulations. Well done, congratulations.
Now एक बहुत ही स्पेशल चीज अभी होने वाली है. बिफोर मैं फर्स्ट प्राइज अनाउंस करूं, वी हैव अ स्पेशल मेंशन एज वेल. तो क्योंकि जजेस के लिए बहुत टफ हो रहा था कि किसको हम फर्स्ट करें, बट उन सब में भी देयर वाज वन गाय जो कि थोड़ा स्टैंड आउट कर रहा था. द नेम इज रामधन लोधा. And judges have something special for you. So they're gonna tell you कि what उनके साइड से तुम्हें क्या मिलने वाला है. So अंशुमन सर आप बताओगे?
हाँ मैं बता
What
देता
we
हूँ.
have for Ramdhan?
फर्स्टली कंग्रेचुलेशंस, बहुत अच्छा काम किया आपने. जितने भी जजेस हैं यहाँ, सब ने 25-25 हज़ार अपने साइड से कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, जो and I hope that will be. अरे नहीं.
Okay guys, now finally the time to announce the winner. The first prize goes to योगेश कुशवाहा।
Congratulations.
Give it up for Yogesh, everyone.
जैसे उन्होंने मेरा नाम लिया तो एकदम से तो मैं शॉक में था, बट जब मैं उनसे मिला तो उन्होंने बोला कि आप आगे जाके कर सकते हैं बेटर।
जब उन्होंने प्राइस बताया तो मैं बहुत हैप्पी हुआ कि मेरे को जो चाहिए था वो मेरे को मिल गया।
My current emotion is hired.
The purpose of doing this is that when people see this, they start thinking about deep technology. They start thinking about what they can tinker and create using technology. And if we succeed in doing that, then we would have succeeded in what we want to achieve from here.